Do you want to add WhatsApp link to your Instagram profile? Then let me show you how. In this video, you learn how to add WhatsApp profile link to Instagram. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, go ahead and open the Instagram application. Once opened, locate and click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Now, this is going to take you to your Instagram profile page. On the profile page, you have access to all your posts and videos you've updated. Now, this is it. Go ahead and click on Edit Profile. Once you click on Edit Profile, this is going to show you the information about your Instagram profile page. Then, go ahead and click on Links. Then you should see Add WhatsApp Link. If this feature is missing, to allow you to add WhatsApp link, just go ahead and update your Instagram app to latest variant. Once you click on that, then select your country code. So just search through and then make sure you select your country. And then make sure you select your country from the menu. So here, as a Nigerian, select Nigeria. Now go ahead and type in your WhatsApp number. After that, click on Done. Once you click on Done, hang on. Then it should say WhatsApp. You added the WhatsApp link to your bio. Now, if you go back to your bio, refresh it, you should see the number of links you have here. If you click on More, then you should see your WhatsApp link. You see that? So if anyone clicks on the WhatsApp link, they'll be able to chat to you on your WhatsApp. You see that? And then you are good. So that's exactly how to add WhatsApp profile to Instagram. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.